Did you know many people are having trouble with water dripping from their dryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check damper. First, inspect your dryer's exhaust damper to ensure it isn't stuck open or missing, as this can allow moisture to enter. Step 2. Clean damper. Next, clean or replace the exhaust damper if needed. A functioning damper prevents moisture from entering the drum. Step 3. Ensure venting. Ensure your dryer is installed correctly with proper venting to allow adequate airflow and prevent moisture buildup. Step 4. Clean ductwork. Regularly clean the ductwork to remove obstacles that might restrict airflow and lead to moisture issues. Step 5. Monitor humidity. Finally, monitor the humidity level in the room. Use a dehumidifier if necessary to minimize condensation within the dryer. By following these steps, you should be able to prevent water from dripping from your dryer after the cycle. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Electrolux users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.